Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have office essential, the Scotch Magic Tape Desktop Dispenser, which comes with 6 rolls of tape. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes this Scotch Magic Tape set so special. First and foremost, the Scotch Magic Tape is known for its invisibility. That means it securely mends rips and tears without leaving a trace. This is particularly useful during busy seasons like the holidays when you need quick and reliable repairs on wrapping paper and cards. The tape is designed with a matte finish that blends seamlessly with paper, making it ideal for a variety of applications without drawing attention to itself. One of the standout features of this product is its bonding capability. The tape utilizes trusted 3M adhesive technology, ensuring a strong, secure, and permanent seal. Whether you're using it for crafting, school projects, or everyday office tasks, you can count on this tape to hold everything together efficiently. Speaking of versatility, the Scotch Magic Tape is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable tape solution. It's especially ideal for students gearing up for back-to-school season, teachers looking to organize their classrooms, and office workers who require a dependable tool for paperwork and presentations. The ease of use makes it accessible for all ages, whether you're a student, a parent, or a professional. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases for this tape. If you're a student, you can use it for mounting your projects, repairing torn pages in textbooks, or even for quick fixes on school supplies. Teachers can find it invaluable for creating displays or organizing classroom materials. For office workers, the tape is perfect for mending original documents, adding notes to reports, or fixing any paper-related mishaps that may arise during the workday. Additionally, the Scotch Magic Tape is photosafe, which means you can use it on your precious photographs without worrying about damage. It's also easy to apply, and you can even write on it with a pen, pencil, or marker for easy labeling. Imagine the convenience of being able to label files or packages effortlessly. The included desktop tape dispenser is another great feature. It's designed for ease of use, allowing the tape to glide off smoothly and cut effortlessly. This means you can quickly grab a piece of tape without the hassle of tangled rolls or struggling to cut it cleanly. In conclusion, the Scotch Magic Tape Desktop Dispenser with 6 rolls of tape is an indispensable tool for anyone who values organization, creativity, and efficiency. Whether you're repairing a cherished document, wrapping gifts, or simply keeping your workspace tidy, this tape is a reliable companion that delivers on its promises. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.